nice and lovely, guys. So basically I'm gonna make a nice lovely, this is some frozen fruits I have in my freezer. Some red fruits. It's like you got a mixture of range of fruits inside of it, and right here I have it right here, and I'm going to just simply put it some inside of my blender. So you know, when you come in at the summer, yeah, you know what I mean, you're gonna be at home, or you know what I mean, yeah, you can just wake up on in the morning and make yourself a lovely smoothie drink like this one. Alright guys, beautiful and nice, simple, red and full of flavor. So I'm going to use some milk inside of it, so that's gonna give me that lovely look. I'm using some skim milk, and I'm gonna put some spinach because I love my spinach, guys, honestly. I'm always trying my best to use as much vegetables in my anything I've been using, you know what I mean. Put a love for about a teaspoon of honey inside of it. Now we're just gonna go to the blend and blend him up, you know what I mean. It's just something really simple and quick in the morning before you go to work. And here it is. Alright, that's the way it goes in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo, guys. Lovely and nice. So as you can see it for yourself, that looking so beautiful and nice. So what we're gonna do is simple serve it up. So if you wake up early in the morning and you feel for something totally different, and this coming really handy for you guys, so you can just make this at home in the morning. All right, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, and this is just some simple ideas for you to make in this summer at home. Stay tuned. Beautiful. So as you can see it for yourself now, look at this, so nice, really lovely and nice smoothie to have in the summer, and the scent and the flavor and the taste of it is amazing, guys, honestly. Thank you for watching Chef Ricardo show. Got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, so please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, and as you can see, that is just fantastic and amazing. I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.